Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you very special way to prepare eggplant curry. Cooking is an art, that's why I try different ways to prepare certain recipes. Normally to prepare eggplant curry, it requires lot of oil. But I prepared this curry in a special way that does not need much oil and tastes really good. I also suggested the same method to my friends and they gave me very positive feedback, so I thought to share the recipe with you people. If you like my recipe, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's see the ingredients. To prepare this curry, here I have taken half tablespoon of mustard seeds, half tablespoon of cumin seeds, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 3 tablespoon of refined oil, 2 tablespoon of roasted sesame seeds powder, 2 tablespoon of roasted peanut powder, 2 sliced green chilies, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 1 chopped onion, quarter cup of chopped coriander leaves, 2 big size eggplants. Here I have washed the eggplants and I dried it completely by using kitchen towel paper, and 4 tomatoes. Here I have washed tomatoes also and I dried it completely with the help of kitchen towel paper. Here my eggplants are bigger size, so here I have taken 4 tomatoes. If your eggplants are smaller size, then you can take only 2 tomatoes. Now with the help of brush we have to apply oil on all eggplants and tomatoes. Here I have preheated my oven for 10 minutes. Now I will place the eggplants and tomatoes carefully into oven and I'll bake it for 20 minutes on 170 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, I'll heat up a pan on medium flame and I'll add oil into it. Now I'll add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, sliced green chilies, ginger, garlic. I'll fry it until it changes its color golden brown. Now I'll add onion and I'll fry it another 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add salt, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, and I'll mix it well. Now I'm going to add coriander leaves and again I'll mix it well. After 15 minutes, now I'm going to check into my oven. Here tomatoes are baked well. I'll take it out. We have to bake eggplants another 5 to 6 minutes. Now I'll peel off the skin of all tomatoes and I'll chop it well. Now I'll add these chopped tomatoes into this tadka and I'll mix it well and I'll cook further 2 minutes. After 5 to 6 minutes, I'll check out my eggplants. Here my eggplants are cooked well. I'll take it out and I'll peel off the skin and I'll chop it well. I'll add these chopped eggplants into this mixture. I'll mix it well and I'll let it cook for further 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add roasted sesame seeds powder and roasted peanut powder. This step is completely optional. If you don't have roasted sesame seeds powder and roasted peanut powder, you can skip it. Now my eggplant curry is ready. I'll serve it into a serving plate. Here is my eggplant curry is ready. Please try it and let me in comment how was the taste. If you like my recipe, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.